You can't tell just by looking at it, but this street marks a major commitment by the City of Eugene. It's using less material to build, and it's much more environmentally friendly than a typical street. It's called a sustainable street.
The concept of a sustainable street is one that extends from project development through the design, construction, and operation maintenance of a street. And it's based upon the triple bottom line of sustainability, balancing the environment, the economy, and social equity. So in the environmental aspect of it is incorporating bioswales and rain gardens that address water quality, the runoff that comes off the street, and treating it before it enters a stream or wetland. And then the economy piece is developing a street that moves goods and services efficiently and safely throughout the community. And then finally, the social equity piece is developing a street that addresses all modes of travel, whether it's cyclists, pedestrians, transit riders, or motorists. So it's really in the whole concept of a street.
A sustainable street incorporates a variety of strategies to lessen its impact on the environment. For example, there's the use of vegetation to handle stormwater runoff. These bioswales act as natural filters for the pollution that usually runs off directly into the rivers and streams. Another strategy involves the very material being used to construct this road. This year, the city contracted road crews are using a cool new technology called warm mix asphalt.
The idea behind warm mix asphalt is reduce the production temperature of the asphalt product by about 50 degrees. And when you do that, you really get three benefits. The first is that you lower the emissions at the plant and the energy use. And what our contractors have told us is it reduces energy use about 15%. Also, when the material gets out on the grade, you eliminate the smoke emissions from the material because it's cool enough that the light oils don't burn off. So it's better for human health. The third benefit of warm mix asphalt is that it leaves more effective oil in the asphalt product, which should extend the life of the pavement by making it less susceptible to age-related cracking. The city is a leader in the use of warm mix asphalt in the state right now, and it really appealed to us because we saw the three benefits that really line up with our sustainability goals.
Natural filtration for water quality, low-impact paving materials, slower speed designs that make it easier for bicycles and pedestrians to share the road. Building sustainable streets provides benefits to a wide diversity of recipients in a number of ways. You'll find green streets all over Eugene, and there are more to come.
This summer, the city is going to have a pilot project to test a process called full-depth reclamation. And what we really like about this process is you're able to recycle the existing roadbed materials in place. You basically bring in a large machine that acts like a rototiller. It pulverizes the existing pavement to a depth of about 8 to 12 inches in place, adds cement, and what you get out of that is a cement-treated base that you can then pave over the top of or chip seal and have basically a new road. This eliminates all the trucking that usually goes along with the reconstruction and the diesel emissions that also go along with that. So once again, really meets our sustainability goals and gives us a good product at a reduced price as well.
Well, the city has had a long-standing commitment to developing sustainable streets, and a couple of recent examples are in the Crest Drive area. We used what was called a context-sensitive solution process, where the city engaged with the neighborhood and all of the stakeholders to develop a design that really fit within the context of that neighborhood. And another example is the city's use of innovative technologies such as warm mix asphalt, and another one is the use of bioswales or rain gardens to address water quality and incorporating green streets concepts in our street design.